a promising space tourism startup, launched by founders Jane Poynter and Tabor McCallum, would be more than happy to take tourists to the edge of the space for a small fee. And no, it's not a one-way ticket. The to and fro air ticket would cost you $125,000, presumably with taxes included. According to the founder duo, space tourists would be seated inside a huge capsule called Spaceship Neptune. The capsule would remain attached to a gigantic air balloon. The balloon and capsule assembly would then ascend to a height of 100,000 feet in about 2 hours, stay there for another 2, and return to the surface of the Earth 120 minutes later.
Space tourists would get the opportunity to take breathtaking videos, social media selfies, and photographs from the edge of space, and share them with their network once they touch base. Upon arrival, all passengers will be picked up by a boat stationed in the Atlantic Ocean. The startup plans to launch their space balloons from the Kennedy Space Center, but they're still finding their way through the FAA's red tape. Interested? Start following Space Perspective on LinkedIn today for future updates.
Like, share, and subscribe.